and I'm gonna trip in the water or maybe on the rocks. Life jackets save lives, and in French. Amazing. See, they're like Rocky Mountains in Ontario. You see up there, it's like all rock. So when you're in whatchamacallit, outskirts of Ontario, so this is what you see, these kind of mountains and these kind of trees, and it's like you just see them in Ontario. When you go to Quebec, it's kind of different. I'll try to take a video of what you see in Quebec. Like the jungle is different. This is really awesome. If you have this kind of mountain in your backyard, that's gonna be awesome. And then you have a river flowing, the lake, I mean, and then there are beavers, they make it down. It'll be awesome. Alright, cool. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm headed back on the highway. Ciao.